Hello everyone! Ang topic natin ngayon ay para makita ang relationship ng chords, ng radii, at ng intercepted arc sa circle. So, we try to discuss sector and segment of a circle. Pero unahin muna natin ang sector. I am Crisanto O. Domingo, Head Teacher 3, Pedro T. Urata National High School. Ganito lang yan. Ano nga ba ang sector of a circle? Pag sinabi nating sector of a circle, ito yung region na na-enclose or yung binakuran ng intercepted arc at saka ng dalawang radii. Ayan. So itong sector na ito, so of course alam natin na yung central angle equal sa measure ng intercepted arc. So yung portion na yan, yan yung ating sector of the circle. So yung area niya ay makukuha natin kapag pinag-divide natin ang degree measure ng central angle o ng intercepted arc, tapos i-divide natin ang 360 degrees and then i-multiply natin sa area ng circle. So we have this formula. The area of the sector is equal to the measure of the arc divided by 360 degrees times the formula for the area of the circle, which is pi times square of the radius. For example, find the area of the sector of the circle if the radius is equal to 14 centimeters and the measure of the arc is 75 degrees. Ito. So, ito yung hahanapin natin, itong portion na ito. So, anong unang gagawin? We find first the ratio. So, 75 divided by 360 or i-reduce natin sa lowest terms, which is 5 over 24. Tapos, i-compute naman natin yung area ng circle, yung step 2. So, we have pi r squared, which is, i-square natin yung 14 times pi, we have 196 pi. And then for step 3, so i-multiply natin yung sagot sa step 1 at sa step 2 para makuha yung area ng portion na ito. So we have 196 pi or 196 times 3.14 times 5 all over 24, which is 128.22 square centimeters. Ayan. Next. Example number 2. A sector of radius 20 centimeters is cut from a circle. The angle of the intercepted arc is 150 degrees. Find the area of the sector. So again, compute natin yung ratio. 150 divided by 360 or equal siya kay 5 over 12. And then, yung area na naman ni circle, so we have pi times the square of the radius, which is 20. So we have 400 pi. And then we get the product of step 1 and 2 for the area of the sector. So we have 400 pi or 400 times 3.14 times 5 over 12, which is equal to 523.34 square centimeters. That's it. Hintayin nyo na lang ulit yung susunod na lesson natin regarding naman sa area ng segment of the circle.